Namaste, I am Chevian Shamala Siddiqui and the Faculty of Physiotherapy Department, FPD, and today I will discuss about bleeding disorder. Bleeding disorder, it is a condition that affects the way your blood normally clots, and the clotting process, it is also known as coagulation. Coagulation and changes blood from a liquid to a solid part, but when you are injured, your blood normally start to the clot and to prevent a massive loss of blood. Sometimes certainly conditions that prevent blood from the clotting properly and which can result in a heavy and prolonged bleeding. But occasionally bleeding disorder can cause abnormal bleeding both the outside and the inside the body. Some disorders can increasing the amount of the blood leaving the body, and other cause bleeding to occur under the skin or in the vital organs like your brain. What causes a bleeding disorders? So the bleeding disorders may be also caused by a low RBC count and a vitamin K deficiency, and the side effects from the certain medications like anticoagulants. Medications that can interfere with the clotting of the blood cells are called anticoagulants, and anticoagulants, which is a chemical substance which can prevent the coagulation of the bloods. There are various types of the bleeding disorders, and bleeding disorders can be inherited and acquired. Inherited disorders are passed down through the genetics or hereditary, and acquired disorders can develop or spontaneously occur later in life. And some bleeding disorders can result in severe bleeding and accidentally and injury, and in other disorders like heavy bleeding can happen suddenly and no reasons for about the bleeding disorders. There are the numerous different bleeding disorders, but some bleeding disorders are the most commonly like hemophilia. Hemophilia A and B are the conditions that occurs when there are the low level of the clotting factors in your blood, and it causes heavy and unexpected bleeding into the joints. And in hemophilia, it is a rare condition and it can have life-threatening complications. But next, the factor second and factor 8 deficiencies, and some factors are these bleeding disorders, deficiencies, and related to the blood clotting problems and abnormal bleeding problems. And most important factors are involved. Von Willebrand disease, and von Willebrand disease, it is the most common inherited bleeding disorder, and it develops when the blood lack of von Willebrand factors which helps the blood to declotting. What are the symptoms of the bleeding disorder? And the symptoms can vary depending on the specific types of the bleeding disorder. Mainly, the symptoms are including easy bruising and unexpected easy bruising, and heavy menstrual bruising, and heavy menstrual bleeding, and frequently nose bleeding sometimes, and occasionally bleeding into the joints. And schedule an appointment with your doctor right away if you are the symptomatic, and if you have one or more of these symptoms, and your doctor can diagnose your condition and helps to prevent complications associated with certain bleeding disorders or blood disorders. How is a bleeding disorder diagnosed? So, to diagnose of the bleeding disorders, your doctor will ask you about your symptoms and medical history, and they will also perform a physical examination. And during your appointment, make sure to medical conditions you currently have, and any medications or supplements you may be taking, and along of the bleeding last chronic and acute. Now, after gathering this information, your doctor will run blood test to make a properly diagnosis, and these tests complete blood count (CBC), and which measures the amount of the red blood cells and white blood cells in your body, and platelet aggregation test which checks how your platelets comes together, and next is the bleeding time test which determine how quickly the blood clots to the prevent bleeding. Next, how are the bleeding disorder treated? The treatment vary depending on the type of the bleeding disorder and its severity, and the treatments can cure bleeding disorder. They can help relieve the symptoms associated with certain disorders, like iron supplementation. Your doctor may prescribe iron supplementations to replenish the amount of the iron in your body, and if you have significant blood loss, a low iron level can result in iron deficiency anemia, and this condition you can make you feel weak, very different symptoms for weakness and tired and dizziness, and you may need a blood transfusion if the symptoms don't improve with iron supplementation. The next is a blood transfusion. A blood transfusion is defined as the replaces any loss of the blood with blood taken from a donor, and the donor blood has to match your blood type to the prevent complication, and this procedure can only be done in the hospital and organization. Next, the other treatments. Some bleeding disorder may be treated with topical products and nasal sprays. Nasal sprays and other disorders like including hemophilia can be treated with factor replacement therapy, and this involves injecting clotting factors into your blood circulation and blood stream, and these injections can be prevent or control excessive bleeding. And you can also get a fresh frozen plasma transfusion, and if you lack the certain clotting factors like factor 5th and factor 8th, the fresh frozen plasma, which are two important proteins that help the blood clotting, and these transfusions must be done in the hospital and blood banking and other large organizations. So next is what are the possible complications of the bleeding disorder. Most complications associated with bleeding disorder can be prevented or controlled with the treatment. However, it's important to get treatment as soon as possible. Complications often occur when the bleeding disorders are treated to the late. Common complications of the bleeding disorders including bleeding in the stomach, like intestine, is it small intestine and large intestine including, and bleeding into the brain with serious condition, and bleeding into the joints and joints pain, and complication can also arise if the disorder and severe and causes excessive blood of the loss. नमस्ते, खुश रहिए।